Hola, good morning. This is Jay Bansal coming to you live from Tarragona, Spain. The time here is almost 8 a.m. Got up about 1 hour ago. Had a shower, fresh shave, 2 glasses of water. About to get some fresh air. Taking a walk down to the beach. Let me show you around. Let's go. That structure you see there, 2,000 years old or something. Isn't that cool? Tarragona is actually known for Roman ruins. There's some ruins down there, 2,000 years old. Like a Colosseum type of a structure. Let me show that as well. You guys are gonna love it. Beautiful views out here. Now check this out, okay? Check this out. It's a structure that was built 2,000 years ago by the Romans here in Tarragona. Every time I come to Europe, I get fascinated by the old architecture. 1,000 years old, 2,000 years old. Back home in New Zealand, we don't have anything like this. In fact, when I was studying architecture, I remember one of the tutors, maybe it was art history or something, I can't remember exactly what it was. The tutor mentioned the first ever house ever built in New Zealand. House, like a structure. It was like only 100 years ago or something. Only 200 years ago. 250 years ago. Coming here to Europe when I see old structures. Oh my god. Gets me excited. Usually when I come to Spain, I generally come to Barcelona. The first 3 or 4 or 5 times I've been to Spain, always Barcelona. Because usually I come here for like about a week, 2 weeks, and then go back. This time, due to the circumstances, I've been hopping around because of the war. I live in Ukraine. Decided to come here, Spain, live for 1, 2, 3 months. And Barcelona, let me tell you guys, for those of you guys who are thinking of traveling to Spain, because many people who come here usually start with Barcelona, Madrid. Tarragona. The reason I picked Tarragona is because Barcelona is so expensive. Do you know? Here in Tarragona, you'll probably pay around 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 euros. Around the center, 2 to 3 bedroom house. Everything is fresh, modern. Same thing in Barcelona would get you a shoebox. It's ridiculous. I thought Auckland was expensive. Barcelona is expensive.
Hola.
Hola.
Buenos días.
So coming to Tarragona, it's way more peaceful, way more quiet. People are more friendly. Barcelona is go, 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 go. It's a big city, you know. What do you expect? I personally enjoy quiet places, small towns. City vibes are okay. The real lifestyle, I think, is when you start to live in places like this. Walk to the beach, walk to the cafes, no traffic. Okay, approaching beach now. Let me show you, okay? You're gonna love this. It's a windy day. The waves are strong. Let's go take a look. So normally, this is my morning spot. Come here for a walk, sit down, do some thinking, some breathing, some stretches. usually I come and sit down at my favorite spot right here. Enjoy this beautiful view. The sounds of the ocean. This is probably the only thing that I miss about Ukraine, and that is actually not having water. Otherwise, I love living in Kiev, Ukraine. But coming from New Zealand, man, I gotta say, I've gotten used to the water. Woo! It just calms my soul. Oh my god. Beautiful start to the day. By the water. Anyways, hope you enjoyed my little tour. I'll show you more tomorrow, maybe. I'm gonna chill out here for 10-15 minutes, do some stretches, breathing, and then I'm gonna give my family a call. Speak to the folks, and then start my day, go back, get to work. Y'all take care, have a good day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.